Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need to make some plastic repairs, check out these plastic welding rods. These are from LF's, and this is a set of 50 plastic welding rods. And these are basically just a raw plastic material that you can use for welding and repairing plastic. So if you have a plastic welder, these are perfect. They are the right size. They melt really easily and can make a nice strong repair. We also were able to use these with some acetone to actually melt down this plastic, and then we were able to use it as essentially a plastic glue and make a really strong repair as well. So whether you use these with a plastic welder or whether you use them with acetone, we found them to be really helpful at making a super strong repair in this plastic piece. So I would definitely recommend these for a DIY plastic repair, and that's my point of view.